It is a compact set of 25 ESD micro screwdrivers for electronic applications by WERA. The set comes in a robust and compact roll bag. WERA black point tip assures long lifespan and corrosion protection. Each screwdriver is color-coded according to profile and size of the stamp. Handle of each screwdriver can be divided into 3 zones: the precision zone, the power zone, and the fast turning zone. Set consists of screwdrivers of following sizes: 4 Phillips and 1 Phillips with slotted, 5 Torx, 2 Torx with holding function and 2 Torx with ball hole, 4 micro sticks, 2 pentalobe, IPA Torx Plus, 2 slotted, a nut driver, and 1 lifting fork. All screwdrivers are ESD safe. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.